Very good. Pito po sila, no? Pito. 7th place for the makakatanggap po sa ng medal. Yung 7th place. Yung 6th to 1st makakatanggap ng trophy. 7th place. Leon Bernardino. With 70 points and DNS is at top. Leon Bernardino, 7th place. 6th place. Who will receive the 6th place trophy. Larry Mendiola. Mr. Larry Mendiola, 5th place. Anon Bison. 4th place. Primo Cruz. Primo Cruz, 4th place. Primo Cruz, 4th place. Maganda yung trophy, parang namatpat. 4th place. Mr. Primo Cruz. 3rd place. Rico Agayanosa. 3rd place. Rico Agayanosa. Ayun. Alam ko yung uniform niya. Rico Agayanosa. 3rd place. 2nd place. Mr. Jason Serrano. Jason Serrano, 2nd place. Saan ko ba nakita yan? Parang kilala ko yun. Parang nakita ko na ito. Jason Serrano, congratulations, 2nd place.
Alam. 5 na, para isang ano yan.
And a champion. And a champion for the executive veterans. R33 Motorsportsman, executive veterans, motocross class, Mr. Joseph Howe. Palakpakan po tayo, champion Joseph Howe. Congratulations po.
Wala. Sir. Share kayo nito. Pasukin natin.
Oh, baby.
Oplas lang, mama.
Kaya na, ako na lang kukuha ng award ni Amoy. Kasi sila, ako na lang kukuha ng trophy.
Congratulations